hello guys, it is Rorry million dollar boss. Today I'm going to show you how you can share links on Facebook and make money, how you can share links on Twitter and make money, how you can share links on any social media platform that you might think of and make serious money online. And the one I'm going to show here is worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're from. It can be, you're going to be from China, from Nigeria, from Ghana, from Bangladesh, from Bangladesh, alright, anywhere in the world. It works everywhere. And what I'm going to show you is very simple, and because I'm not going to take my time, it's very simple, but I want you to actually stay tuned to the end of this video so you won't miss any other important thing, because I'm going to be giving you a free bonus that can make you thousands of dollars every single month. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is actually we're gonna find this powerful website. As you can see here, the website we're gonna talk about here is superpay.me. Alright, this website offers a whole lot of offers that you can perform, and superpay.me will pay you, such as watching videos, taking online surveys, driving traffic, as we're gonna do, and superpay.me will pay you real money into your PayPal account or Skrill account. Mostly, I know most of us use PayPal account. Like myself, I use PayPal, and Skrill pay me a lot of money. And guys, so we have you on superpay.me, and as you can see here is a very beautiful interface. As you can see here, make money online, free pay surveys today. Alright, so scrolling down, you can see, oh man, oh praise to the most high God is good. Over 3 million paid to superpay.me members. That's so awesome. Alright, so here are the payment methods through PayPal, then go whatever Amazon, Skrill, and whole lot out there. And this is the entire process that you're gonna run through. Alright, first you're gonna join free right now. I mean, if you want to follow me, guys, I have the link of this website in the description, so everything is already DIY for you. I mean, done for you. Alright, just pause this video, go to the description, and then click on the first link. It will take you to the website so you can follow me and for better understanding. Alright, so here if you join there, if you actually create an account on this website, what you're gonna do is to go and complete your registration in less than 2 minutes. Yeah, not even up to 2 minutes, in less than 1 minute you'll be done, and you receive 20 cents bonus when you join superpay.me. And so that's the first step. The second step is you're gonna take part in surveys and offers, and that's where you're gonna make money by taking part in paid surveys. We have superpay.me have hundreds of new surveys available every day. You can also learn. You can also earn by watching videos, as I said earlier, and completing paid offers like surveys and a whole lot. Alright, and the last step, it is only 3 steps. First step, you're gonna join. Second step, you're gonna take surveys, you're gonna perform a channel. So, and the last step is actually where you're gonna get paid. Alright, mention that word in the comment below, paid. Alright, so you get over 90% of payment are paid within 8 hours via PayPal, Bitcoin, and Skrill. Alright, as you can see here, you can read a whole lot. So if you have a PayPal account, I want you to comment your PayPal email address in the comment below. I'm gonna bless some people with some dollars. Alright, this is free money. I'm just giving you free money. Alright, so you can comment your PayPal email account in the description, because I'll be giving you free money. I'm gonna choose 15 people to bless with some free money. Alright, so make sure you're gonna do that. But first, you're gonna like this video, you're gonna share this video, and you're gonna subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Alright, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, because every single time I'm doing videos like this to show you different in a whole lot of ways for you to live your 9 to 5 and make some money online. Alright, and so you can scroll all the way down and read the whole amount about this website here. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is actually gonna join So you're gonna come on the top here and click join free today. Clicking on this button is gonna take you to paid downloads exactly like this. That's when after this actually my back office of SuperPayMe. So after creating your account, you're gonna see exactly something like this on the screen. Alright, this is a new account I created purpose for this video. I have multiple accounts that I'm making some serious money on, but purpose for this video I decided to create this new account, so you actually can get everything. That's why you see zero here, but in a previous account I have over $100 in it. Alright, so as you can see here what as I said, you can perform a whole lot of different things, so you can make money with SuperPayMe. So if you, let's say you want to watch videos and make money, you come to offer walls, and then you gotta scroll all the way down and choose engage videos, and all these are methods that you can tricks that you can perform to make money on with SuperPayMe. Alright, so we're not gonna do any of this. We're not gonna watch videos, and we just want free time. Alright, we want to play video games, we want to go out hanging around with friends. Alright, so what we're gonna do is very simple here. We're gonna just share links. We're gonna grab a link from SuperPayMe from our account and post this link on Facebook, on Twitter, on Quora, on WhatsApp, or text message, and we're gonna make money. Simple. Alright, so here we count on referrals, as you can see here, and referral link and banners. You're gonna click on that. Alright, so what we're gonna do is actually we're gonna drop our link. This link is as you can see here, this my referral link as a HSG SuperPayMe Rorry $1 million. Alright, MD is $1 million. Rorry, that's me, $1 million. So we're gonna grab this link here, and we're gonna share this link on social media or not to our friends. Alright, and what happens is, how are we actually gonna get paid sharing our links? Well, this is a free bonus I'm gonna give you. Alright, how are we gonna get paid on SuperPayMe just sharing links? Rorry, how is this possible, man? Alright, we count. What we're gonna do is actually we're gonna show our links on Facebook and put a little caption on it to attract someone to actually click on our link. And once they sign up on SuperPayMe, we earn money. Simple. We're gonna show it. Let me go a little bit slower here so you can get what I'm trying to mean. We're gonna share this link or referral link on Facebook, and once someone clicks on our referral link and they sign up or they register for SuperPayMe, we make money. SuperPayMe pays us just for referring someone to sign up on SuperPayMe. Do you get what I mean? Alright, so we're gonna copy our link here, and we're gonna go all the way to our Twitter first. Let's go to Twitter. Okay, we're gonna show a link on Twitter, and right, so here we connecting, and boom, we are on Twitter. Alright, so we actually gonna type something to our link to attract people to click on link and sign up. Alright, so you can type something like hey, what do you think we should type? You can type in a comment below. Alright, what do you think we should type to actually get someone to click on link? We're gonna type something like how to make free money online just by watching free videos. Alright, watch free videos. Click the link below to earn 0.20 cents right now. Alright, so here we are with our question: how to make free money online just by watching free videos. Click the link below to earn 0.20 cents right now. But we're gonna actually I sound like watching free funny. People like watching free fun videos, right? Funny. And I got it. Another bonus here and sexy videos. Alright. How do we earn free money online just by watching free funny and sexy videos? Good. This actually not here. You cannot watch actually sexy videos on Super Premium, but actually what we actually do is how to actually influence people to click on link and sign up, and we can make money. Alright, so we're gonna treat this here. We can come another bonus I'm gonna show you here. So this is bonus number 3. You're gonna come to the search button here. You're gonna type money online. You're gonna search. God, there's another free. Hey guys, if you think I'm giving you some value here, please, I want you to hit the like button, share this video, and make sure you comment your email or your PayPal email address. Alright, so good. We can all the way down here, this new post about how to make money online. You can click here. Then I made a mistake there, but we could have copied what we tweeted previously and just paste them here. Alright, so we can paste a referral link, and as we said earlier at the beginning, the same thing we're gonna say here. So we're gonna copy here. We're gonna copy this. Let's trade. And as you can see here, what we actually do is we're gonna make some serious money. Alright, very serious. We can come here and paste that here. We go and we trade. This what I do, man. This what I do. Alright. Get her for so much and get her so much happy, and you can actually duplicate this in every post that you think make money. Alright, let's pour this one here too. Alright, good. And another website that you can push your links is on Facebook. I think Facebook is very easy. You can do this on Facebook, or share your links on Facebook posting in the groups about making money online. And another website that you can share your links is Quora. Alright, Quora is also good. So this actually brings us to the end of this video. Alright, this actually brings us to the end of this video. If you think I gave you a value and you think you can easily do this, if you think you can share links on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or whatever, all you gotta hit a like button. Alright, million dollar boss. Let's go. Send this video to your friends. That's all I need. Send this video to your friends.